Hey friends, so as you already know that quantitative aptitude is a make or a break section in placement exams, right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to upload 3 to 5 questions on a daily basis in my Telegram channel, and the solutions for that questions I'm going to upload here. So if you are preparing for placement exams or any other competitive exams, I guess you will find this questions uh, beneficial for you for your preparation. Okay, so let us see the questions. Okay, this video is going to be short. I had put 8 questions in this PPT. Okay, this is the first question. That's it. Fine. The price of a watch marked up by 20% and then given a discount of 20%. Find the profit or loss percentage. So let's say the cost price of a watch. Let's say the cost price of a watch is 100 rupees. So what he did is he had marked it up by 20%. So 20% of 100 would be 20. So the marked price would be 120. From here he had given a discount of 20%. Discount. Correct? So discount given on the marked price. So written 120, 20% discount. So 10% of 120 is 12, 20% would be 24. So 120 minus 24, it would be 96. This is the selling price. So he bought it at for 100 and he sold it at 96. That means he got a loss of 4 rupees. So loss percentage would be loss by cost price into 100 now. So 4 by 100 into 100 is a 4% loss. Okay. Let us see the next question. Next. The population of the city increased by 10% in the first year and then decreased by 10% in the second year. What is the overall percentage change in the population of the city? Same case, let's say the population initially is 100. Later what happened? 10% rise. So it will become 10% of 100 will be 10. So it is of 110. Later what happened? 10% decrease. So 10% of 110 would be 11. 110 minus 7 would be 99. So overall it is a decrease of 1%. You can observe like this. Let's see if there is X% increase and then X% decrease. So overall it is always decrease by X%, X square by 100%. Okay. So 10% increase, 10% decrease. So always decrease by 10 square by 100. It would be 1%. If it is 20 and 20, 20 square by 100, 4% decrease. Even if it is like decrease and increase also the same thing, guys. Let's say decrease first year, 10% decrease first year, okay, and 10% increase in the second year. Even you will get the same answer here, guys. If you want, you can check it. So 100 out of 100, 10% decrease. So it will become 90. From 90, 10% increase. So now 10% of 90 would be 9. So 90 plus 9 would be 99. So overall 100 to 99 will be 1% decrease. Okay, increase and decrease, yeah, decrease and increase, you will fetch the same answer. Okay, let's move on to next. Fine. The next question is the price of the watch increased by X% and then given a discount of 5% and there is no profit or no loss in the whole transaction. Find the relation between X and Y. So I'm going to assume the numbers, guys. Let us assume the cost price as 100. So he had increased it by 10%. Let us assume. So it will become 10% of 100 will be 110. So this is the market price. From here he had given a discount of some percent. Okay, initial X% decrease, here Y% decrease. Now he's telling there is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss means cost price would be equal to selling price, no? That means selling price is also similar to cost price, which is of 100 rupees. So market price 110, selling price 100. So The discount given is how much? 10 rupees. So 10 out of marked rupees, 110 into 100. Because discount percent would be discount by marked price into 100, correct? So then discount percent would be 1 out of 11 into 100 is 9.09%. Okay, so you got y as 9.09. X is, if x is 10, y is 9.09, no? So obviously x greater than y, correct? Let's see the next question, guys. Next. Two students appeared in an examination. One of the students got 6 marks more than the other, and his marks were 56% of some of their marks. The marks obtained by them were, let's say A, B, total marks that is considered some of their marks as 100%. In that, A got 56%, B got 44%. So how much percent more does A got? 56 minus 44 would be 12%. In percentage, it is of 12%. In terms of marks, it is 6 marks. Correct? The difference of marks between them is 6 marks. So can I say 12% is 6 marks? If 12% is 6 marks, then can I say 2% is nothing but 1 mark? Correct? So now he's asking you to calculate their marks. If you observe percentage number 2 है, marks 1 है. That is exactly marks are half of the percentage number. Correct? Obviously. So A got 56% means his marks would have been 28 marks. B 44% means it would have been 22 marks. So 28 and 22. Clear? Let's move to next. Next. Two students appeared in an examination. One of the students got 32% of the total marks and failed by 12 marks, and the other student got 36% of total marks and failed by 6 marks. The total marks of the exam pass. So if you look at here, both the persons failed in the examination. Let us see, let us assume this is a number line. Let us assume this is a number line. Let's say this is the pass mark, like 0% to 100% is the number line. Let's say the first person, he got, let's say that A got 32% and he failed by how many marks? 12 marks. That means the distance between his marks to the pass mark would be 12 marks. And there is another person who is also failed and he got 36% of the total marks. Let's say this is B. B got 36% and he failed. His marks would be less than pass marks. But from B to the pass marks, it would be B stand at a distance of 6 marks from pass marks. Correct? So B got how much percent more than A? 36 minus 32 would be 4%. If A is failed by 12 marks and B is failed by 6 marks, then B got how many marks more than A? 6 marks, no? So can I say 4% is nothing but 6 marks? So then 2% would be 3 marks. Then 1% would be 1.5 marks. If 1% is 1.5 marks, then 100% is total mark how much? 150 marks. That's it. Okay. Let us move to the next question, guys. Yeah, this is the same question, but I've changed the question here. Find the pass percentage in the examination. Okay, I'm moving to the back and I'm trying to solve this question. Pass percentage. Try to understand here, guys. B got 36%, no? So B got 36% of total marks, and he's standing at a distance of 6 marks from the pass marks, no? So try to understand. If you convert these 6 marks into percentage and if you add, you are going to get pass percentage, no? And you already know 6 marks is nothing but 4 percentage. So 36% plus 4 percentage, it will be 40%. Correct? So the next question answer would be 40%. I hope you understand this. Let's see. Next question, guys. Next. A student multiplied a number by 4 by 5 instead of 5 by 4. What is the percentage error in the calculation? So actually, he need to multiply with what? 5 by 4. Let's say a number is x. Okay? X should be multiplied by 5 by 4, which is the actual. But by mistake, he had multiplied with 4 by 5x. So percentage error formula will be actual minus error by actual percentage. Actual into 100. So by solving it in equations, you need to write like 5 by 4x minus 4 by 5x by 5 by 4x into 100. Okay, now that's how you will get the answer. I'm going to solve this question in a different way. Like actual what? Actual it is 5 by 4. You need to multiply 5 by 4. So by mistake, you had multiplied with 4 by 5. So to get this answer, what you do is, I suggest you one other different way. You just cross multiply these two things. Okay? I'm giving you another way. 5 is a 25 is the actual number. Instead, you got the number 4 4s are 16. So what is the difference? Actual minus error is 9. Out of actual is 25 into 100. I'm applying the same formula. So 25 ones, 25 fours, 9 fours are 36%. This is nothing but the percentage error. Okay, let us move to next question. Oh, this is the last question in this video. Anil bought a watch and sold it to Beam at 30% profit, and after some days, Beam sold it back to Anil at 30% loss. Find the profit or loss percentage incurred to Anil in the whole transaction. Let's say Anil bought a watch at 100 rupees and he sold it to Beam at 30% profit, which means Anil selling price would be 130. So overall, Anil had 130 rupees with it. Now, later what happened? Beam again sold it to Beam bought it at 130 rupees. He sold it to Anil at 30% loss. So what is 30% of 130? 0.00% so I'm writing it neatly guys. 30% of 130. So this percentage cancel two zeros and multiply 3 into 13 is 39. He got a loss of 30. He sold it at a loss of 39 to A, Anil. So that means Beam sold it to Anil at 130 minus 39, 91 rupees. So now what happened? Beam had 130 rupees initially. Now he gave out of 30, he gave 91 rupees to Beam. So he had how many rupees with him right now? 39 plus watch with him. Correct? Correct. So that means now overall Anil had a watch with him which he bought it at for 100 rupees plus 39 rupees. That means his initial investment was 100 rupees. Out of 100 he got 39 rupees profit. No? So 39 out of 100 into 100 which is profit by cost price into 100. So 100 cancel 39% profit. So that's how you can solve the problem. So in this model, you can find a lot of similar questions from percentages, which a little bit related to profit and loss. Okay. So on a daily basis, I'm going to post some questions in the channel, in the Telegram channel, and then I'm going to make a video on those questions. I hope this video is beneficial for you for your preparation. Okay, so if you are really interested in learning the concepts and improving yourself, so stay tuned to the Telegram channel and take a little bit time to watch this series of videos. Okay, this is the first video on Telegram questions. Okay, I'm going to share the PPT in the link below down the YouTube channel as well as in my Telegram channel. Stay tuned to it. Thank you.